Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka College for Teacher Education College Shillong ha ka khatlai trek unai wing 8,000 apusan kala Pynhap perdano ya ka jingde ekmen College Week halor ka phang pedeng kabalong Celestia 8,000 apusan ya ka ni ka jingde ekmen College Week lasdang nado ka pra trek unai wing bala Pynhap perdano ha ka khatlai trek unai wing 8,000 apusan ha kita yo kila penlong ya kata masa bapher na benta ki Samla Pule la kalong ha ka shat karem kaput karwai kasiaw nalor kiwei kajing pelong ya kata masa kalong rukum shibenta kum kawai kajing don kam ha ka pule puthi khnang baki Samla kenla ban pen I yala ka sap ke phong ha ka babun kiliang kiba kidon ha ka ne kasngi lawan bane shimbenta do uba strong pillar kharjana chairman ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba long kum ukongsan haringkat kajing don lang ka doctor bahun lang tron ka principal ka college ki Nonghikai ki Samla Pule bat kiwei de ha ka ne kasngi la samru ya ki khusnam she ki Samla Pule ki balong ki nong job ha ki jingile ka ba pher bat lapan ko Burom ru ya uba bali ubala rimtam jong katega college but ubala shong thad no nakakam haba ai jingkran ha kani ka jingelang nakaliang ka Dr. B tron kalaong ba ka jing penlong ya ka college week kam day tang nakabenta ki khna bakin long ki nong job henry ban aila digi Samla bakin la ban pen I ya ki sap ki phong ka baki don ha ki babun ki liang
And the next is
we have the arm wrestling, and the winner in category below 55 kg, we have and from below 65 kg, we have Josh Robert.
activities, that is the Rangoli. The winners are from group.
Ya rong ki thong mau jing sho hirsha thoryo ka song ka bo upra updung ka sivano wai tampau ni kerhai temen ki kroya ki sarai
I would like to thank our chief guest, Strong Pillar Kharjana, the chairman of KHADC, for sparing your valuable time to be with us here today in spite of your busy schedule, because we understand the call of your duty. Dealing with the public is not an easy task, but in spite of all that, you have spared your valuable time to be with us today. Now, it is indeed inspiring to share with all of us here, because Strong Pillar Kharjana was a student of this college and alumnus, and he belonged to the batch of 2011, section B if I'm not mistaken, because that was the year where we received the instruction from the NCTE that the batch of 100 has to be split into two batches. So accordingly, we had two batches. batch A and section B, sorry. That time the BA course was a 1-year course. So that is why I think Burom, Pule, everything has changed now since then, since you passed and cleared your BA examination. So now, from that formative years of teacher preparation, now you are here sitting as the chairperson, the chairman of the KHADC, and we understand the responsibility that you have to shoulder, because we all know the role of the KHADC. It plays an important role in preserving our identity, our culture, and tradition. But in spite of that, you are here. We are very much thankful to you, Burom. Now, every time we have functions like this, we always invite dignitaries from different departments. But Burom, you don't have to worry. We here today, we don't have any formal demands because we know what is the role of the KHADC. But I would just like to share with you that with the need for us to implement the new education policy, we are having plans to also introduce the BA course. So for that matter, we would urge and request you to at least promote and advertise our college. Reach out to people so that they join our college. The more that you can do, the better it will be for us. Because if it comes from you, Burom, it will be helpful for the college so that the public get to know, the students get to know about our college. Now, at this time, I would also like to thank you because, you have agreed with just one call. Just one call. I asked Burom whether do we need to send a letter to you, but then you just said, no ma'am, it's my old college, so it's between us, it is like a family. So that is why no need to send the letter, and he instantly agreed to be part of this function. Always update, or I always share on the background of the college. But thankful, today I don't have to do so. Because all of us, we are just like one family now, the CTE PhD family. We don't have outsiders except for the media persons whom I will be sharing about the background maybe later on. So, without further ado, I will move forward with the speech. Now coming to this celebration. So, the college week, usually we have a series of events and activities. And in respect of this, I'm very happy to be here at this closing function to witness the closing of our college week, which has been themed as Celestia 2025. Now, throughout the week, we have witnessed the organization of various activities, right from the sports activities, especially the outdoor activities, the literary activities, as well as the social cultural activities. So standing here, I would like to congratulate to all the winners of the different activities, but nonetheless, for all those who have not won a medal or a prize, I also congratulate you because this college week has not been organized only to allow students to win medals or to win prizes, but to showcase their talents, their abilities, their skills, their creativity, everything. It serves as a platform for you to showcase whatever ability, whatever talent that is there within you. So, at the same time, I also want to emphasize on the importance of having or holding these activities, especially in an institution like ours, being a teacher education institution, because it is not all about participation, but it is about learning from these activities. So here, You are supposed to learn how to organize these activities, how to run the activities, how to communicate, how to collaborate, such that all the activities run smoothly. So this journey of Celestia 2025, the 5 days program, exemplifies the broader vision that the college has to shape and to nurture individuals who are prepared not only for entering the teaching profession but also to take on various roles in society. Now we have seen the example here. Although we have trained, Strong has entered this college, joined the college to get trained as a teacher. But then gradually he landed, and now ultimately he is in politics. So here in our institution, we prepare individuals for future roles, not only in the field of teaching, but to also play important roles in the different aspects of society and the community. Now, my dear students, let me again congratulate all of you, each one of you, for your participation and your spirit. Now, let us remember that this college week was never just about competition. I repeat again, it is about learning. Now, through these series of events, it has helped you discover. I think many of you may not know that you know how to dance, how to sing, how to draw, how to paint, how to even play, isn't it? But through these series of events and activities, you have managed to discover what you're good at. Right? So I urge upon each one of you to take back whatever you have learned from these 5 days of the co-curricular activities that has been organized for you all.
Nakaliang uba strong pillar, uloong bakum ki Samla Pule ki day ban Burom ya ki Nonghikai bat kumta, ka Burom kan sawan ha kajing imjong ki ru kumju. Nalor kata uloong ru baha kajing long brio onom la banyo jing job marway. Henry don kam kajing kershan jongnu re jongnu. Kumta ulakin tu ki Samla Pule baki day ban kershan ha ki brio ki badon ya kajing thumu ka babaha ha ki jing im kajong ki.
Students, remember, honor your teachers and thy life will be honored. Like you have sung in this few moments about a song, Lean on Me. It is quite a song. It is a song of inspiration indeed. Because we as human beings, we need somebody to lean on. Remember, as long as we live on this earth, we cannot go alone. You cannot live in isolation. You cannot achieve anything alone. But we need somebody. We need someone. If not human being, I hope you will lean on one person, that is God. So each and everybody needs someone to lean. But remember to lean on somebody who is the right person. Because if we failed to see and mistakenly we lean on somebody else who is not fruitful to your life will be a shambles. So I would like to say to you all at this moment, please lean yourself on somebody with a purpose in your life. A very, very good evening indeed. I was born in this world to do something. Each one of you was born to do something. So it is up to you to identify what is your goal in life. You were born in this world with a purpose. You cannot be idle. You were born with a purpose. So try to find out what is your purpose in life. Distinguished guests, beloved teachers, and all faculties of this beloved college. I'm speechless, so to say, because as an ex-student, ex-teacher, I don't expect that I will get this honor to be with you here today, standing in front of my beloved teachers. Actually, I was not born an orator. I don't know how to give a speech like many other speakers you have witnessed in your life. I'm not really an orator. I was born humble, I was born as a teacher. When it comes to any topics in a classroom, then I will speak the whole day. But on such an occasion, I was stopped. My name is Strong Pynhap. Sometimes when I ponder about my name, I feel funny. I have tried many times to change my name. But my father warned me, if you change your name, I will not speak to you anymore. Because the name Strong Pynhap was baptized, not in front of anybody, but was baptized in the church in front of God. So sometimes names matter. So physically, I'm not strong. I'm not a pillar reader. But mentally, I guarantee that I'm really, really strong. Mentally, yes, of course, you can challenge me. I'm really strong. So, as I said, I'm not an orator. I always act.